I'm calling you from a payphone.
It's no secret, life's rearranging. Everywhere I go there's a time change, but I don't wanna wait for another whole year just sitting around watching my life fade. Girl problems, I got none, so why do I feel like I want some? Seems like time got away from me, cause I spent so much of it chasing dreams. Tell me, is it wrong of me? Feel like I'm giving it all of me. Is it selfless or selfish? Have I lost touch with myself is the question. I don't know. Life seems something like a snow globe. It got shook up and then fell down, and that glass house is what's left now. So I'm calling you from a payphone to let you know I'm doing fine. We haven't spoken in a while now. Still can't get you off of my mind. I'm watching the stars on the skyline, wondering where you are tonight. So I'm calling you from a payphone, hoping I don't run out of time. I'm trying to call but you can't pick up. I wanna fall but I can't give up. I gave a lot but I didn't take a lot. Now I'm stuck at a payphone, can't find my way home. I guess I'm lost now. And what do you do when you fall down? Trying to find my faith in the lost and found, but it seems like someone picked it up and threw it out. Cause I wasn't quick enough, now I feel like giving up. I didn't win a race and they tore the ribbon up. Looking for an answer, I need a little luck. Put a quarter in the payphone, you gotta pick it up like I'm calling you from a payphone to let you know I'm doing fine. We haven't spoken in a while now. Still can't get you off of my mind. I'm watching the stars on the skyline, wondering where you are tonight. So I'm calling you from a payphone, hoping I don't run out of time. Hoping I don't run out of time.
So I'm calling you from a payphone.